Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase an iPhone without an iCloud password. First, connect your iPhone to a computer with a USB cable. Next, put your device into recovery mode. The exact steps vary by model, but typically involve holding specific buttons. Once in recovery mode, use iTunes on a Windows computer or Finder on a Mac to restore your iPhone. This process will completely wipe the device, removing all data and settings, and bypass the need for an iCloud password. Another effective method involves using the Find My iPhone feature, assuming your device is still linked to an Apple ID. You can access Find My iPhone on another Apple device, like an iPad or Mac, or by visiting iCloud.com in a web browser. Once logged in, select your iPhone from the list of devices. Then, choose the Erase iPhone option. This will remotely wipe all data, making it ready for new owner or fresh start. If the previous methods aren't suitable, you might consider using a third-party iPhone erasing tool. There are several software options available that claim to wipe an iPhone without an iCloud password. It's crucial to research and choose a reputable application to ensure data security and avoid potential malware. Always follow the software's instructions carefully, which usually involve connecting your iPhone to a computer and initiating the erase process through their interface. Before proceeding with any erase method, remember a few important considerations. If possible, always back up your data to prevent permanent loss. Understand that erasing your iPhone will remove absolutely all content, settings, and personal information, making it like new. Finally, ensure your iPhone has at least 50% battery life or is connected to a power source throughout the entire process to avoid interruptions. This ensures a smooth and complete wipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.